Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Frozen fruit will help keep your smoothies thick and frosty. Toss in some protein. In his book Spent, Drive, Frank Lipman suggests adding whey protein to breakfast smoothies. An easy-to-digest protein that contains all the essential amino acids.
Take our lead.
Will chugging down a fruit smoothie a day make you fat? The answer: probably not. Unless fruit smoothies are tipping you over your maintenance energy intake, they're unlikely to lead to weight gain. For the average person, a smoothie with fruit can be part of a balanced, nutritious meal plan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.